Hello everyone, I'm back today to show you how to make a delicious strawberry banana smoothie with items that you probably already have in your kitchen cupboard. First, you're going to pour 2/3 cup of milk into your blender. I usually put it in this order just because it seems to make it blend better. Next, you're going to add 1/3 cup of vanilla yogurt, and then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of Ovaltine. Now, the Ovaltine is optional, so if you don't have it on hand, you can leave it out. I usually add the Ovaltine because it has a little bit of nutritional value and it also deepens the red color. Now it's time to add in the honey, which is what I normally use, but if you don't have any honey, you can use sugar. Now let's add in those fruit. First, we're going to add in 1/2 of a banana, and we're going to follow that with a cup approximately of frozen strawberries. Usually I just pile them up in that cup. Now it's time to blend it all together. We want to make sure that we blend it long enough to make it smooth and creamy. You know, the last thing you want is a smoothie that has chunks of stuff in it. Another great thing that you can add to it is spinach. Sometimes if I want to add a little nutritional value to it, I'll also add spinach to it. Or you can even add protein powder, beet juice, or beet juice powder. And there you have it, a delicious, refreshing strawberry smoothie, and it's better than anything that you can buy at any of the places around town. It's perfect for breakfast, or you can take it as a snack, or even, as a dessert. I know you will enjoy this recipe. If you find my recipes helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video and share. Until next time, enjoy!